This is an Ender 3 3D printer that I own. One of the first upgrade that people suggested was print a filament guide. This guides the filament from the spool into the extruder, and if you don't have it, it'll mess up your extruder. Now, on Thingiverse, you can see plenty of filament guide. The quickest, fastest one I found was 2 hours and 30 minutes. To me, that's way too long. So I decided to make one less than 5 minutes. This is a wire hanger for your clothes. All you need is wire hanger and a pair of pliers to bend the wires. Here's an angle where you can see I feed the wire into and then I bend it around the extruder. And then to secure it in place, I zip tied it. Here's another angle you can see from the top looking down. It's pretty easy and it takes less than 5 minutes. I'm sure other smart people out there can make something much more elegant, but I didn't have much time and this is the fastest I can think of. The great benefit to this is that you can see it follow the extruder, meaning that it'll go up and it'll go down, unlike the design on Thingiverse where it's just stuck in one place and the filament can still damage your extruder. This one will always follow the extruder no matter what. Hope you found this guide helpful, and happy 3D printing, everyone.